Shubor Nakashlem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Deputy Commissioner Jongka West Kyntait Hills Ubadiru Chairman Jongka District Selection Committee Abhinav Kumar Singh Kyntait Jingkynnoh Badangshan Palat Sanspa Handru Tylli ki kam sarkar ki Lait hapo ke DSC dak baong ke de ke jingalam bakla haba pensyai ke de jingkran UDC hakilat pathai kubor hak singi sajan UDC ulaong ke de jingkhen Sanspa Handru Pau ke kenthop ki kam ki bashabar Jongka jingtre kam Jongka DSC kum ki nohikai promotion post ki kam master role bat ki kam hapo ke MPSC ulapan tikna bagajingdon jeng ki kam balat ban pendap lingba ke DSC kolong hadu arspa san pesan Tylli kat kum ke jingtep bala pensisha bala IT da kitanat ba pher hadin ke jingalang bala pelat khat khanai dari ujemang bat ar hundo dari ujemang kini ki kam ki kenthop ar phuai Tylli ki LDA prapulai Tylli ki grade 4 bat grade 3 post bat barok ki kam ba khenlang bat ki shispa san phuai Tylli ki bathli kilong arspa san pesan Tylli ki kam Tylli hapo West Kyntait Hills Nalor kata ulapentep basab khanai Tylli ki kam LDA ladap thung ringkat ki South Tylli ki kam boardman ulapentep ya ka interview nak benta ki khandu Tylli ki kam bakenthop khatwei Tylli ki sericulture demonstrator South Tylli ki gram sevak bat kawei gram sevika on penlong no haki arta yo banwan.
Well, good afternoon everyone. This is the Deputy Commissioner of West Kyntait Hills. I am giving this public clarification or advisory as a chairman of the District Selection Committee for West Kyntait Hills. Recently, there has been some information which has been doing rounds in the media, which is with regard to the vacancies that are available in the DSC. As per one of the groups, it has been cited that the number of vacancies is more than 500. I want to issue the clarification that the vacancies that they have cited is an inflated one. How? As there are around 106 out of so-called 560 vacancies which are tagged as JDA, officer, UDA and teaching staff, which are clearly outside the purview of the DSC. We had a meeting with our Honorable MLA on 19th of May, wherein at that point of time the vacancies that were given to us by the various departments was total 151. Following which a meeting was convened with all the departmental heads, wherein they were asked to bring the vacancies list as well as the roster on 26th of May, wherein we got an additional 21 LDA post and 83 grade 4 post and grade 3 post. Thus the total vacancies that are to be filled up by the DSC as of today, which has been submitted, is 255. Again, on addition to that, 49 LDA posts and 4 boatmen have been recently appointed. An interview of 16 posts, which includes 11 for sericulture demonstrator, 4 for Gram Seva and 1 for Gram Sevika, will be undertaken in coming next 2 weeks. Also, the inflated post which has been given to this, the organization, it actually also includes the muster roles from various departments, which include like other warden, pharmacist vacancies that are outside the purview of the DSC. So with regard to this, the appointment which we'll be doing will ensure that the entire process for recruitment gets completed for the entire set of vacancies, maximum by September or November for this year itself. I would also like to urge to all the media houses, rather strongly urge, that before publishing any information, they should get a clarification from the concerned authority, in this particular case from the chairman of the DSC. Thank you, because it unnecessarily creates otherwise panic in the public. We asked the department to submit the list of vacancies. It was an old data, right? On 26th, when the meeting was convened with all the department heads, the additional LDA post, grade 3, grade 4 posts were apprised to us, which we have added down, and total 250 plus is the number of vacancy as of date today, for which we are going to give out the advertisement. The entire schedule is being prepared and it will be shared maximum by tomorrow in the press, so everyone can start their preparation. And as I am reiterating it again, by maximum September or November, the entire vacancy for the DSC will be filled up. See, as per the RTI information that was given out and said that 560, but those 560 vacancies includes all the vacancies which falls within the purview of the DSC, the vacancies which include muster roles for various departments, the vacancies which are to be filled up through promotion in the various departments, and also the vacancies which fall within the purview of the MPSC. So this is where, had the question been vacancies with regard to the DSC, for that, as of today, as I have already cleared up, is 255. As we are talking today, this is the number of vacancies that are within the purview of the DSC, which have to be filled up by the DSC itself. So what we have planned it up, starting from June itself, we are going to go ahead with our filling up of the vacancies. The written examination would be conducted. we are going to issue the tentative schedule for the entire set of vacancies within upcoming 2 days, in which everything would be mentioned with regard to post, with regard to when the written examination would be conducted, when the typing test would be conducted, even when your qualifying exam would be conducted. And also there's a tentative date for interview as well. So what our actual plan is that maximum by September or by November, we are going to fill up the entire set of vacancies which are available as of now.